Good evening once more. So it's another video about email marketing, how we can actually send out emails for free using some 1990s method. One probably recent would know about. Well, could be wrong, I suppose, but mailers, which allows you to send mails to other members who are part of the mailer. So we'll dive into. So it's called the lead magnet. I think all of these ones, which makes it good, you can promote their mailers. You can make money, but we are looking at how you can send out emails. So it's really simple. You read emails to get credits to send out emails, or you can pay for it and you get so much more. So just dive into it. Here is the mail center. Go to mailer. I've actually clicked on that for templates. I think it's just copies of emails that I've sent, so I could use them again. So the back into that, send mailing. So it's quite good. It lets you as a free member send it every 3 days. I've obviously sent out 2 days ago, and I've got one more day, so I can do that from tomorrow. So you can put banners, which these things are here on the site, and then get paid commissions if you refer someone to Lead Magnet. Suppose that's what I'm doing this video, as well as promoting our private partner program, which is going to really change the affiliate marketing industry. So I like it. It's the simplicity of these things. You send out, say, emails by doing credits. It tells us how much. Can't remember the. I think the limit is 5,000 credits, so you can send out. I think it's 5,000 emails, and you have to read them. So if we go to, like, it's sent to your email address. So when you are able to send out, you need credits to send out the email. So we type in the lead spell right magnet. It's not spelled right. It's maybe not on that email account. Try this one. So remember quite a lot of these ones, but it gives you the ability to say send it out for free. So just click on that one to earn credits. Some of them just gives you the credits automatically, or you need to click on something, but I can't remember. So it's a number. So how this works, you have to click the number that you can see that's 2. It's doubles, it's 3, and you credited 15 credits there. So just see if it's telling us how many. But it's just because we can't send out email at this stage. Try to see if it tells us upgrading. Oh, there's here credit and clicks. You've earned 15 credits today, and how many emails you've clicked as well. Upgrade. So here it is. So there can be Iron Man, which is $50 a month. If you refer someone, what you get. So you can email up to 10,000 members every 48 hours, 100,000 bonus credits. You basically send emails out definitely every 2 days, and then you've got Power Magnet, which is less, $20 a month almost, and email up to 5,000 members, and then the junior one, which is only a bit less than $10 a month. You can email up 2,500 every 2 days. That's 5,000 every 3 days actually, and then in the top package, 10,000 members. So it's really quite a lot. Account is free, but if I upgrade, then you can you can do it. So our program teaches email marketing. We even build a system, so you don't have to bother about it if you want to learn email marketing to sort of upgrade your earnings by sending more emails, which they have to be good and telling a story and giving value. Then you learn that all in our private program. So this makes it simple. You read emails to send out emails, or you can pay for it and you get to send it to higher quality of people. With the free ones, you're sending out to other free members, but and these ones you're sending it out to people that actually buy products. So I'll put the link in description for Lead Magnet and our private partner program, which is going to change the industry, to be honest. So we hope to see you there, and bye bye for now.